Color show Big Boss 14 has given us every reason to binge watch it. From the nasty fights and arguments between the contestants to friends turning foes and vice versa, the viewers have seen it all on this popular controversial reality show. Big Boss also witnessed several entries and exits which gave a whole new twist to the game. Ali Goni, Nikki Tamboli, and Rahul Vaidya, among others, got evicted and made a re entry on the show. Sonali Fogart, who is a well known politician, is the latest entry on the popular controversial reality show, and it seems she is upping her game as the game progresses. While we have seen Sonali maintaining cordial bond with everyone, but it seems she has started showing her true colors to everyone as the game progresses. In the last night's episode of Big Boss 14, we saw a huge fight erupt between Nikki Tamboli and wildcard contestant Sonali Fogart. Both of them have been nominated for eviction this week. A fight ensued after Nikki kept her box of food near Sonali's bed. Sonali was irritated and asked Nikki to pick it up from there. Nikki said that was taking off her makeup and would pick it up after. However, Sonali insisted she do it right now. She later said that she would throw used food boxes on her bed if she didn't pick up. Sonali's comments irked Nikki, but she paid no heed to her. Sonali was then seen throwing food box on Nikki's bed, which left the latter infuriated, and she said, "अन्न का अपमान किया है." A furious Nikki called Sonali "बदतमीज औरत" and said that it was due to this that no one gives Sonali bhav on weekend ka war. Sonali was further seen telling Nikki, "टूट को जा, जनता से setting करके आई है," replying to which Nikki said that she has come in the Big Boss house due to her own caliber. Sonali throwing the food box on Nikki's bed and saying what she said to Nikki didn't go well with the netizens who slammed her for the same. Twitter is one such platform which spares no one, and this time Sonali faced the wrath of the viewers. Everyone slammed her for doing such a cheap and disrespectful thing on the national television. One social media user wrote, "Throwing food doesn't make sense. Sonali Fogartji, you were wrong." Big Boss and many other also reacted to Sonali Fogart's throwing food box on Nikki's bed. Another user wrote, "She is looking so desperate. First she pinpointed Rakhi openly to save her, then started fighting unnecessarily just for content. At least fight with dignity and real issue." Another user wrote, "You did it wrong. Throwing food on bed is insult of food, which lots of people are struggling to have in this COVID 2019 situation. Salman Khan should make her understand and inform all contestants not to play with food." So, what's your take on this? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Delhi Chakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.